What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install a TV mount on the metal stud wall. So you see this TV right now, that's what we just did. So we're going to show you how to do it. This wall right here, that's what we're going to install. Alright, so let's see what we have to install. All the tool hardware right here, but this is the bracket that they come with the bracket that we're going to mount it to the TV. And this hanger right here, that's what we're gonna hang it on the wall, right? So let's go do it. These are the tools that we need for the projects today, which is a drill, a 1/2-inch drill bit, a screwdriver, a level, a stud finder, a pencil, a measurement tape, and a paint tape. For the next step, we're gonna install the bracket or the arm for the TV. So I have the TV face down right now, and the back of the TV, and this one is top of the TV. So make sure we install it the right way, not, upside down. Next one, make sure it's the same spot that you install the first one. Now it's done for that. So let's take a look at the wall where you're gonna hang the TV. You need to know how high your TV gonna stand or hanging on the wall. So I already measured it right here. That the bottom of my TV gonna be right here. Now we need to find the stud. Which is one stud right here. I mark it down here, right there. So that's the center of the stud. And another one on this side. I also mark it down there. After you find all your stud on the wall, just place your template, the TV mount template here. So I don't need the paper there because I already know where the hole's gonna go. So I can remove this template away. Okay, you can see it. The wall stud in there. See the metal there? Yeah. So that's a good sign. Okay, let's drill it. Alright. So after we drill all the hole that we need, and this is the one for the stud wall that you need to purchase. This is how it came, right? To insert in that hole, you push this all the way, you will lock it there. Okay? When you lock it there, you can insert that. So after that, you can break it off. Move it back there, like that. Same thing, push this, lock it there. And now pull it back. Yeah. So what we're doing, push that in, pull it back, it flip this one out. So, and the wall, now you climb into the wall. If you're doing this way, the stud wall stands straight this way, so you can't. That's not good. It has to be straight, like this. And then push this one in. And break it off. So now, just repeat to all of that same way. And now it's time to install the TV mount on the wall. And on this model, you have to remove this plastic right here. We just pull it out. So now you see they have the level right there too for you when you put it. It's easy for you when you put it on the wall. You can see the label that is, and also the bottom one here. Move that out. So let's mount that in the wall. So put it up here to find. Try to line it up with the hole that you've been drilling there. So I have a washer to go along with it. I'm not gonna tighten it up yet. I'm still gonna move where I was gonna be, like I'm gonna go by the level right there. So I'm still gonna move it around. So after I snug it on there, you see this one comes with that level right here. It's a little bit off right now. So I need to move up a little bit and tighten it down. Don't over tight this. That thing will sink into the wall. So snug it, it's not gonna go anywhere. Let me show you that level here. It's right on the dead center. Okay. So that's good enough. So move to the next one. Now it's time to hang the TV up. Alright? So let's do it. And let me sit on there. Try to find the hook. Oh, higher? Okay. Is it hook?
Yeah.
That's it. So now this flip right here, you gotta put a screw to hold it so it never come off. That's what it designed for. See it? You see it? Go there and the screw will hold it. So on this side, no, it's not moving. Yeah. And one more thing. Cover all the bolts. And you're ready to go. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you to the next video.